The power of reading. Hi, Daniel. What are you doing in the library?
Hi, Emma. I am reading a book because I want to develop a good reading habit.
That is wonderful, because reading is one of the best habits a person can develop.
I agree, but sometimes I find reading difficult because I get distracted easily.
I understand, but if you start with simple and interesting books, reading can become enjoyable.
What kind of books do you think I should read first?
You can start with storybooks, short novels, biographies, or books about topics that you really enjoy.
I like stories about successful people because they teach me useful lessons about life.
That is a great choice because reading about successful people can inspire us to work hard.
I have noticed that people who read regularly often have better knowledge and communication skills.
Yes, reading introduces us to new ideas, new words, different cultures, and different ways of thinking.
I also think reading can improve our English vocabulary.
Definitely, because every book gives us opportunities to learn new words and understand how they are used.
Sometimes I write new words in a notebook so that I can remember them later.
That is a very good habit because writing new words helps you remember and use them correctly.
How much time should a student spend reading every day?
Even 20 or 30 minutes a day can make a big difference if you read regularly.
So, reading for a short time every day is better than reading a lot only once in a while.
Exactly, because consistency is more important than reading for many hours on one day.
I think reading also helps us become more confident when we speak with other people.
You are right, because knowledge gives us more ideas to share during conversations.
Another thing I like about reading is that it helps me imagine different places and situations.
Yes, books can take us on amazing journeys without requiring us to leave our homes.
Reading a good story sometimes feels like entering another world.
That is the magic of reading, because a good book can make us laugh, think, dream, and even learn important life lessons.
Does reading also help students with their studies?
Of course, because students who read regularly can improve their understanding, vocabulary, writing, and general knowledge.
That means reading is useful not only for entertainment, but also for education.
Exactly, because reading is both an enjoyable activity and a powerful way to improve ourselves.
I sometimes spend too much time watching videos on my phone instead of reading.
Many students have the same problem, but we can create a better balance between technology and reading.
How can I reduce my phone time and read more?
You can set aside a specific time each day when you put your phone away and focus only on your book.
That sounds simple, and I think I can start doing that from today.
You can also keep a book beside your bed so that you can read a few pages before going to sleep.
That is a good idea, because reading before sleeping can become a peaceful daily routine.
You should also choose books that match your level, because difficult books may make you lose interest.
I agree, because when a book is too difficult, I often stop reading it.
Remember that reading should be enjoyable, not something that makes you feel stressed.
I think setting a small goal can also help, such as reading 10 pages every day.
Yes, and after completing that goal, you can slowly increase the number of pages.
What do you think is the biggest benefit of reading?
I think the biggest benefit is that reading helps us grow mentally by giving us knowledge, ideas, imagination, and wisdom.
For me, reading also helps me understand people and the world better.
That is true, because books allow us to see life from different perspectives.
Reading can also teach us how other people solve problems and overcome difficulties.
Exactly. And those lessons can help us face our own challenges with greater courage.
Now I understand why teachers always encourage students to read.
Teachers know that reading is a foundation for lifelong learning and personal growth.
I want to make reading a part of my daily life instead of treating it as a school activity.
That is the best approach, because reading should continue even after we finish school.
From today, I will read for at least 30 minutes every day.
Great! I will also try to read more and share interesting books with you.
Maybe we can create a small reading club and discuss the books we finish.
That would be wonderful, because discussing books can make reading even more interesting.
I have learned that a book may look small, but the knowledge inside it can change a person's life.
Absolutely, because every page we read can give us a new idea, a new lesson, or a new way of seeing the world.
So, the power of reading is not only in gaining knowledge, but also in becoming a better person.
Exactly. And that is why we should make reading a daily habit and never stop learning.
I am going to choose a new book today and begin my reading journey.
Wonderful, Daniel. Remember, a reader today can become a wiser and more successful person tomorrow.
Thank you, Emma. Now I truly understand that reading is not just a habit, it is a key to a brighter future.